Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make a subscription on the Snapchat. So if you want to create the public profile on the Snapchat, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Snapchat mobile application. Once you will open it, now from here you have to click on your profile icon on the left top. Once you will click on it, now you have to go to the setting from the right top. Now scroll up, and once you will scroll up, here you will see hook and option. Here you will see contact me, make it everyone, send me notification, make it everyone, view my story, make it everyone. Also from here go back and see me in quick add, so click on it. So once you will do these settings, now you have to go back in your profile options, and here you will see create public profile option like this. So just create your public profile and you will make your subscription on the Snapchat. So this is the procedure to make a subscription on the Snapchat. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.